Today, we're talking about how to speak English at the pharmacy.
At the pharmacy, conversations are simple, but also important. You might need medicine. You might feel sick. You might need to describe a symptom.
We'll start with some vocabulary, then we'll listen to two simple conversations, and after each one, we'll explain what made it effective for beginner learners.
So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's learn together.
Vocabulary Preview.
We have 3 essential words for you today. Words you will hear in almost every pharmacy conversation.
1. Headache.
Meaning, pain in your head. Example, I have a headache. I need something for my headache. A very common word.
Example from me. After a long day, I sometimes get a small headache.
2. Cough syrup.
Meaning, medicine for coughing. Example, I need cough syrup, please. It helps when you have a cold.
And here's my example. The pharmacist gave me cough syrup last winter when I was sick.
3rd prescription.
Meaning, paper from a doctor that allows you to get special medicine. Example, I have a prescription from my doctor. Do I need a prescription for this medicine?
Great. My example. The doctor gave me a prescription for antibiotics.
Conversation 1, simple pharmacy dialogue.
Okay, everyone, here is our first conversation. Listen carefully for the vocabulary words. Headache, cough syrup, prescription.
Conversation 1, very simple, beginner level.
Hello, excuse me. I need something for a headache.
Of course. How long have you had the headache?
Since this morning, it hurts a lot.
Okay. Do you have a fever?
Number, just the headache.
All right. You can take these tablets. Take one every 8 hours.
Thank you, and I also have a cough. Do you have cough syrup?
Yes, we do. Would you like the sugar-free one or the regular one?
Regular, please.
Here you go. Take 2 spoons before bed.
Great. Do I need a prescription?
No, you don't. It's over the counter.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Analysis of conversation. 1.
Great. This conversation is simple, but it teaches 3 important skills for beginners.
1. Use short, clear sentences.
Emma doesn't try to speak fast. She doesn't use complicated grammar. She says, I need something for a headache. Just the headache.
Perfect for beginners. 2. Learn how to describe a symptom.
You can say, I have a headache. I have a cough. It hurts. Since this morning.
These are basic, powerful tools. 3. Ask simple questions.
Emma asks, do I need a prescription? This is a very useful structure.
Conversation. 2. A small problem at the pharmacy. Okay, now let's listen to a second conversation. This one includes a tiny misunderstanding. Very common for beginners. But don't worry. The pharmacist helps.
Conversation 2. Beginner-friendly story.
Hi. Sorry. I need something for my throat.
Is it sore? Does it hurt when you swallow?
Yes. Very sore. And I also have a cold.
Okay, I recommend these lozenges. They help with throat pain.
Great. And can I have strong medicine?
Strong? Do you mean stronger lozenges, or do you mean antibiotics?
Antibiotics?
Do you have a prescription?
No.
Then I can't give you antibiotics, but don't worry. Your cold will get better with rest.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't understand.
No problem. This happens a lot.
So, I just take the lozenges?
Yes, and drink warm tea. If you still feel sick in 3 days, see a doctor.
Okay. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Analysis of conversation. 2.
This conversation is great because it shows something important. You don't need perfect English. You just need to communicate. Let's break down what happened.
1. Leo didn't know the right word. He said, "Can I have strong medicine?" But strong medicine in English can mean many things.
The pharmacist helped him find the correct idea. Do you mean antibiotics?
2. Beginners often mix up strong plus antibiotics. This is normal, but the pharmacist clarified with a question.
So remember these structures. Do you have a prescription? I recommend. This helps with
3. Leo understood even without big vocabulary. He said simple sentences. Yes, very sore. Sorry, I didn't understand. So, I just take the lozenges.
perfect for beginners. Teaching moment, expressing pain, beginner level. Before we move on, let's learn 3 very useful beginner phrases for expressing pain.
Repeat after me. It hurts. Short, perfect. It hurts here. Useful with gestures. I need something for headache, throat, cough.
No need for long sentences. These 3 structures can save you in real life.
Conversation 3, a tiny story about confusion.
We'll listen to one last short story because it shows something many beginners experience: confusing words.
Conversation 3.
Hi, I need medicine for a cold.
Sure. Do you want tablets or syrup?
Yes.
Okay. Tablets or syrup?
Oh, sorry, I thought you said something else.
No worries. English can be fast.
Tablets, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'm learning English. Sometimes I freeze.
You're doing great. Small steps.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Analysis of conversation. 3.
This is so realistic. Beginners often freeze, panic, or misunderstand an easy question. And what did Anna do?
She said the perfect sentence. Sorry, I thought you said something else. Short, polite, easy.
Final section. How to stay confident at the pharmacy.
Here are 3 tips for beginners.
1. Speak slowly. You don't need to rush. Pharmacists are used to speaking slowly.
2. Use gestures. Point to your head. Point to your throat. Say, here.
3. Use simple structures. I have. I need. It hurts. Do I need a prescription? That's all you need.
Conclusion. You did amazing today. You learned vocabulary. You listened to real conversations, and you practiced understanding simple stories.
Remember, you don't need advanced grammar to communicate in real life. You just need calm clarity and simple sentences.
Be proud of yourself for listening today. This is how progress happens. Little by little, day by day.
If you liked this episode, share it with someone who is also learning English. And remember, Every time you practice, you become a little more confident.
Take care, stay curious, and keep learning one day at a time. See you next time.
Don't forget subscribe for more English conversations.